Difference between talaq and divorce. Difference between talaq and divorce. Talaq is the Islamic term for divorce. Talaq is the Islamic term for divorce. Full stop. A talaq is used to end a marriage. Talaq is used to end a marriage over nikah under the term of Islamic Sharia. Islamic Sharia. Nikah nikah under the term of Islamic Sharia. Islamic Sharia. Full stop. It should be not. It should be not that talaq is a right given by a husband. It should be not that talaq is a right given by a husband. A right given by husband and wife can only exercise the right of talaq if the same is granted to her in her nikah nama marriage contract. Full stop. If the husband given talaq, he must also tender he must also tender hak meher hak meher meher to his wife, whereas if the wife exercise her right of talaq, then she must request request she must request her right to hak meher hak meher. Full stop. It is important to note that Shia and Sunni Muslim have different rule for performing a talaq. Full stop. Sunni practice required no witness. Sunni practice required no witness. Sunni practice required no witness and allow a husband to end a relationship by saying the triple talaq. Whereas a scholar view the triple talaq in one sitting over at one time has Ajaliya Azalia a custom forbidden by Muhammad but reinstated by Umar bin al Khattab. Umar al Khattab and thus forbidden Sunni scholar agree to the facts. Sunni scholar agree to the facts but deem it halal lawful. Anyway, khulla is right of woman. Khulla is the right of a woman in Islam to divorce and it means separation from her husband. Full stop. After divorce, the husband is responsible for the education and maintenance of the children. Full stop. Children live with the mother till the age of a Jannat, Jannat, which is 7 year for son, and age of puberty for daughter. Age of puberty for daughter. After the age of Jannat. Hijanat. After the age of Hijanat, the children have the right to live with the father over the mother, and their opinion will be court considered by the court, but will not be taken as conclusive and decisive factor. Conclusive and decisive factor. Full stop. A woman seek a khula while a man seek a talaq. A woman seek a khula while a man seek a talaq. Man seek a talaq. Man seek a talaq. Man seek a talaq. Khulla is the right of a woman in Islam. Khulla is the right of a woman in Islam to divorce, and it means separation from her husband. Full stop. After divorce, the husband is responsible for the education and maintenance of the children. Maintenance of the children. Full stop. The children live with the mother till the age of hijat. Hijanath, which is 7 years for son, and age of the puberty for daughter. Age of the puberty for daughter. Full stop. After the age of the hijanath. After the age of the hijanath, children have the right to live with her husband, leave her with father or mother, and their opinion will be considered by the court, but will not be taken as cons- conclusive con, 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 conclusive conclusive and decisive factor. Concons- conclusive conclusive and decisive factor. A woman seek a khula. A woman seek a khula while a man seek a talaq. A woman seek a khula while a man seek a talaq. The iddat period also allow for reconciliation. Reconciliation for the husband and wife. Full stop. Counting to Shariat al Shariat according to Shariat al Bukra, divorce may be pronounced twice. Divorce may be pronounced twice, then keep him in good fellowship or let go with kindness, and it is not lawful for you to for lawful for you to take any part of what you have given him unless both fear that they cannot keep within the limit of Allah. Then if you fear that they cannot they cannot keep they cannot keep within the limit of Allah, there is for no blame on him for what she give up to became free. Therefore, full stop. These are the limit of Allah. These are the limit of Allah. So do not exceed him, and whoever exceed the limit of Allah, these it is that are the unjust. That are the unjust. Write a critical note on the concept of the triple talaq under Muslim law. The remember first expect to remember when dealing with this ill advised punitive punitive measure punitive punitive measure by which the pronouncement of triple talaq result in a mandatory jail. Talaq result in a mandatory jail term which may extend up to 3 years. is that the Supreme Court itself gave a highly friction 3/2 verdict. Full stop. Even the two set of the majority judgment, one by Justice Nirman Nirman and Lalit, one by Justice Nirman and Lalit, declaring triple talaq has violative of the Article 14. Declaring triple talaq has violating of Article 14, and the other by Justice Joseph holding that what is held bad in the Korean cannot be good in Sarath as Sariat Korean Korean cannot be good in Sariat. Different the minority held triple talaq has judicial non-renewable been in integral part of Muslim personal law. Full stop. The offense is nevertheless made cognizable liable to arrest without warrant, and also non-bailable. Only court and not police can grant bail. Full stop. The offense is nevertheless made cognizable liable to arrest without warrant, and also non-bailable. Only court and not police can grant bail. Full stop. B. It is presumed that the pronouncement of talaq-e-biddat can instantly and irrevocably dissolve the marriage and proceed to void it in section 3. Full stop. Nonetheless, this beg the question of how, after retaining talaq-e-biddat inoperative in section 3, its nugatory pronouncement can be considered cognizable and non-cognizable bailable offense in section 4 and 7. Full stop. Can a law criminalize in act after the considering that it does not result in a crime? Full stop. However, the most glaring internal contradiction is found in section 5 and 6, which discuss post-divorce issue, such as in a substances allowance for the woman upon who instant talaq is pronounced, and the custody of her minor children has if her marriage is dissolved by the mere pronouncement of the talaq-e-biddat. Full stop. Talaq-e-biddat. Full stop. However, could the author of this bill talk of the positive divorce matter, ignoring the fact that the pronouncement instant talaq has already been voided in section 3 and cannot result in a divorce. Full stop. D. Third part of the bill. That part of the bill which redeclare triple talaq to be illegal. And void is largely surplus. लार्जली सिर्फ सरप्लस हो गया।